Let's take a look at some examples from Chapter 2 that are similar to your discussion that you have to turn in. So here we have a problem, 8x plus 3 parentheses x minus 12 equals 7x minus 28. And we want to see if x equals 2 is a solution to the equation. And we're also going to check if x equals 4 is a solution. So first of all, we have to solve this equation. We have 8x, we have to distribute the 3 over the x and the negative 12. 3 times x is 3x, 3 times negative 12 is negative 36, equals 7x minus 28. The next step would be to combine like terms first. 8x plus 3x is 11x. Minus 36 equals 7x minus 28. Now we have to do some moving and shaking, so we want to combine all our x's to one side and our numbers to the other side. So I'm moving the variable part to the left-hand side by saying minus 7x, and let me write it just underneath like so. 11 minus 7x is 4x, and I also bring a positive 36 to the right-hand side. So that leaves us with 4x equals negative 28 plus 36 is equal to 8. We divide by 4, and we get an answer that says x equals 2. So now, is x equals 2 a solution to this equation? We have to say, of course, yes, it is a solution. That means x equals 4 is not a solution. So that is the first part of problem 1. Now, the second part, we have the exact same, this time in form of an inequality where we have a greater symbol, as you can see here, between instead of an equal sign. So this would be a linear inequality. If we were to solve it just like as we have an equal sign, we would get as well x is, but in this case, greater than 2. So x is greater than 2. So now we're asking the same question. Is x equals 2 a solution? Is 2 included in our solution set? And we have to say what? No, because x is greater than 2 and the number 2 itself is not included. Let's look at x equals 6. Is x equals 6 a solution to this inequality? The solution was x is greater than 2, so 6 is greater than 2, and the answer would be yes for x equals 6 is a solution. The solution for this linear inequality was x equals greater than 2. We want to now graph the solution and also write the solution in interval notation. For the graph, we need a number line. Let's just say here 0, 1, 2, 3, and so forth. So x is greater than 2. Again, 2 is not included. For a strictly greater symbol, we need to make a parentheses. The inequality symbol points to the right, so our solution would be pointing to the right as well. X is greater than 2. In interval notation, we just copy our number line, we parentheses, 2, comma, and this is going all the way to the right to infinity. Infinity is always a parentheses. The interval notation for this inequality of x is greater than 2 is 2, comma, infinity in parentheses.